Hello there, welcome back to another video. So right here on this 2008 Ford Expedition, the AC not going on heat. I'm going to turn it to the heat side, it won't work. So I'm going to show you guys the reason why it's not working. So I'm going to let you hear that sound from the activator. So hear that sound, guys. Alright, so that's the blender activator that controls the heat, hot and cold. So whenever I turn this knob from hot or cold, that's the activator that control it. This one right here. So I'm going to show you the tools I use to get out the radio. So to get the radio out, you're going to need this socket. Let me show you. So it's a 7mm socket to get out the radio. But first you have to remove this piece. So you're going to use a flat pine screwdriver and pick it to the sides. Small flat pine screwdriver like this one. Pick it to the side. And then you draw from the bottom, pull from the bottom of this piece. So you're going to put your hand underneath here and pull. And then you're going to pry it from the side with the screwdriver. Take your time, don't break it. So you can get out the radio. This is the radio right here. All I need to do is put it to the side, just like this. And that's where the activator located, at the blender activator. And to get out the screw, to remove this activator, you're gonna need this 8mm socket. It's the 8mm right there to remove the screw from the blender activator. That one to the back gonna be a bit difficult to remove. That one. So I'm going to have to try to figure out a way to get out that one. See if I can use a socket, the same short socket. So I get the screw up a little bit. Maybe I can use my hand. Let me see if I can use my finger to get it loose. Oh, it's a bit difficult right there, but that's where I get it from. Right there. Try a little more. I don't know why they designed it like this, guys, but it's a bit difficult to reach. I wish I could just use my finger and get it out. This piece right there is in the way. I wish I could get this piece a bit to the side. A little more space. Wow, it's so tight right here, guys. So that's the blender activator. So I'm gonna give it another try. So I'm getting to turn a little with my fingers. Oh, it's so hard, guys. I'm gonna get a long nose player and get back, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna try to use this long nose pliers, guys. one right here. See if I can get it loose. So another longer one. I'll try this one. Going to the side and pull it a little like this, guys. Alright, and there you go. So I hope this video helped you guys to remove your blender activator. This is what blend the heat and the coal here. So I'm going to pull this tab to the back, just like this, guys, and press. There's a clip right here. I'm gonna press it down and pull. There you go. So this is what the activator looks like, guys. Alright, so it's blowing cold air now. So I'm gonna try to turn this piece. I'll see what it do. Alright, so I'm getting hot air from the vents now, guys. This is what control it. So put it on this one right here. And now the air is super hot from the vents, guys. So I'm going to have to try and get this activator. Maybe I have to check on Amazon or maybe AutoZone or those place that sell car part. This is right there. So if I find this on Amazon, I'll let you guys know and post a link in the description where you can get one of these if you have the same issue, the car not switching from cold to heat. So that's it right there, guys. Alright, guys, I'm back. So I'll just get this blender activator from O'Reilly, which the part number is DA1160. So that's the part number right there. So this is for the blender activator. So I'm going to show you guys the new one. Alright, so this is what the new one look like. We got the old one. So this is the old one. Alright, so I'm going to install it right here. First I want to turn back this. I turned it early on just to check it. So just gonna put it back there. Alright, so there's a groove that is supposed to sit in. So let's get it in. So there's a groove right here. This groove, a wide groove. So you're gonna sit to the wide of space in the groove, this plane. Right, just like this, guys. Alright, so sit in just like that, guys. So I just now have to try to get the screws back in place. Alright guys, so now that I fit the blender activator, so that's the center blender activator, I'm going to test it and see what's going on. So let me crank the vehicle up. Okay, so the hair start to get warm already. Oh, sorry, not warm. Just okay, so it's working. So now I'm getting hot air to the vents. All the vents giving me hot air, so I'm going to turn it to the cold side. And now I'm getting cold air, so it fixed, guys. So I'm going to switch it off and put back the radiator together. Remove the key. Alright, so the radiator going just like this right here, guys. Alright, so sit right there. These screws. I think so, some 7 millimeter screw. Alright guys, so that's it. So it's complete. So let me crank it again and give it a final check. Getting cold air. Now I'm getting hot air. So it's perfectly fine, guys. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.